Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucketflow, and today we are going to see how you can mount your volume to EC2 instance. In previous video we have created a AWS volume and attached to our EC2 instance. You can go to my website Bucketflow and you can check it out this video, and then we'll get the theory. Okay, so as of now we are not going to do any theory, we are doing practical only. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, or you can check out my portfolio as well. You can follow me on my LinkedIn. We'll connect there. If you have an issue, please reach out to me. We'll connect. To get the demo, we need a EC2 instance. So first we'll launch an EC2 instance, then we'll create a volume, and then we'll attach, and then we'll mount. This is the step. So my EBS, and we'll give volume. Okay, and you can go with any Ubuntu, Amazon Linux, anything is fine. Our process will be same only. There is no issue in that. You can create a clip here as you need, but we need only this much. So just launch an instance. Okay, our instance is up and running. Now we'll create, by default one volume will be there. If you go to the volume section, okay, here we will get an 8 GB volume which is there, but we want to attach one more volume. So we'll create volume 3, not that much. We'll go with the 5 GB, and we need to check this AZ. Okay, so we'll go to our EC2. Under EC2, if you see anywhere AZ, that's fine, or else you can go to the storage. You can see here this volume. Okay, just click on that volume, and then here you will get the AZ. Okay, so this volume is in US East 1A, which you need to take care. Okay, so you need to get the volume in the same AZ, or else you will not get that EC2, okay, while attaching. So okay, US is to 1A, that's fine, and create volume. So now if you see here, refresh, we'll have a two volume. One is 8 GB and one is 5 GB. Okay, so now we'll select this one, 5 GB, go to action, then attach volume, and here if you drop down you will get the EC2 instance, my EBS volume. Click on that, give the SDF name, anything is fine. Okay, we'll go with this one. Let's see. Okay, so now our volume is attached, but it's not mounted. How we are going to verify this one? Okay, we have attached to our EC2 instance, but still we are not able to use this one. So for that we need to mount it. How we are going to do this one? So let's go back to our EC2 instance. We'll connect to EC2 instance, and then we'll start the process. You can connect via SSH client or EC2 EC2 connect. There is no much different. Okay, so currently I'm connected to my EC2 instance. Let me zoom it. Okay, hope now you are able to see it properly, I believe. So to mount it, we need to run, the first command is lsblk. Okay, if you type this one, so now you will see our 8 GB disk. Okay, NVMe 0N1, this is the one. Okay, and this is the one we have created just now, 5 GB one. Okay, which is not mounted. Okay, it's not mount to anything. So for that we are going to do, okay, so the first thing is to mount you need to run few commands. Okay, let's see. So for that we have sudo. Okay, let me go be a root user, sudo -i, then we'll leave sudo file -s, and this dev slash, and this we need to copy and paste. So just now this command, what it will be do, it will check whether any data is there or not in this our volume. Okay, so how we are going to verify? Okay, let's run the same command with our old volume, which is this one, 0 and 1. Okay, so instead of element 0 and 1. Now you can see here we have DOS, MBR, boot sector, extended version table last. So something is there in our old 8 GB volume, but not the new one. Okay, so now we have done this one. Now we need to format our volume. So to format, we have a command sudo mkfs minus t, okay, and then ext4. ext4 is a format kind of which is common. You can use other format also, but this one is common. Okay, and now this is the one we have created our volume. Just copy this one. Okay, enter. Now if you read this one, sudo mkfs is created file system with this id 4k block inode. Okay, we'll cover this inode. It's a very interesting topic basically. Okay, file system UUID, and this is our UUID for file system. Allocate a group table, done. Writing inode table, done. Creating journal. Okay, everything is done. Okay, now what else? Now we need to create a mount directory. On which directory we are going to mount? Okay, so basically if you run this one lsblk, currently there is no directory. Okay, you can see here mount point, nothing is there in this one. So now we need to create this directory, and then we'll mount this this name, this volume, to that directory. Okay, so for that we need to create a directory first. So we'll sudo mkdir make directory, and we'll give the updated volume. Okay, now our directory is created. Okay, now we need to mount it. To mount, we have a command sudo mount then dev slash our volume slash then our directory, which is updated volume. Okay, so if you enter, now our mount is done. Okay, now if I check lsblk, now you can see here we have updated volume which is mounted. Okay, to confirm df minus h, if you type, you can see here we have dev this one and 4.9 GB, 4.6 GB available, and this mount same for this file system. Okay, yes, so now you got the process. What is this one? Dev root. Okay, so we did the mount, we mount it. Now we need, sometimes we need to unmount it. Okay, so how we are going to do this one, and this is the process of how you can mount it. Okay, so what is the process of unmount it? So unmount, it's a simple, give sudo umount. Okay, then slash dev slash this nv. This is not working. Let me copy this one and we'll paste it. Make sure you don't make any spelling mistake. Okay, so now if you type df minus h, okay, so you will get something different. Okay, lsblk if you type, so now there is no mount folder. Okay, so that's what how you can do mount and unmount. Okay, so that's how you can do. So now we'll do the cleanup process once this is the learning. Okay, if you're done, then clean up your uh, like EC2 and all. So for that, what you need to do, now we have unmounted. Okay, then go to volume. Let me unzoom this one. Okay, if we go here, we will have a two volume which is 5 GB and 8 GB. We have attached this volume. Okay, just select this one. Okay, and detach volume. It's detached. Okay, now it's detached. Once it's detached, select it again, and then delete volume. You need to give confirmation here. Delete, click on delete. Okay, and now no need to delete this one, because once we will terminate our EC2 instance, on termination this volume will also be deleted, so no need to worry. Go to your instance. Okay, this is our instance. Just instant state terminate. Okay, so you can see here EBS backstage instant default action is, it will be deleted. Okay, so no need to delete the default volume. It will auto delete once you delete your instance. So go to instance. So it's starting down, then it will terminate it. There is no issue. So that's how you can mount volume to your EC2 instance and unmount, how to do the cleanup and all. Let me know if you face any issue. Please comment in the section. Please share this video to your DevOps, cloud, or any other friends who need this kind of videos. See you in the next video. Or once again, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Do let me know if you are facing any issue. We'll connect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.